Every pool table, everywhere in the world, is green. And no, that's not just tradition. That color is doing something to your eyes every time you look at it. And once you see it, it's hard to ignore. Quick question, don't overthink it. Which one do you feel like you'd play better on? Most people think it's simple. Pool started as an outdoor game, on grass. So when it moved indoors, they just brought the grass with it. That's true, but that's not the real reason it stayed. The real reason is, green is the most visible color to the human eye. Your eyes are extremely sensitive to green wavelengths, which means less strain, especially over long games. Bright colors, they burn out faster. Dark colors, harder to track. And back then, players weren't playing under perfect lighting. It was dim, uneven, sometimes just a single lamp over the table. So if the surface was too bright, your eyes would fatigue fast. Too dark, and you'd lose track of the balls. Green sat right in the middle. Calm, but clear. But here's the weird part. Green feels right, but blue actually looks cleaner. I don't know, it's kind of split. And that's probably why pro tournaments are quietly switching to blue. Not for players, for you. Blue shows better on camera. Higher contrast, sharper edges. Basically, it's easier to watch. Which means green might not even be the best color anymore. There's actually one reason pros still prefer green in some cases. But yeah, that's a different thing. This is one of those details you've seen your whole life and never questioned. And once you notice it, you start seeing it everywhere. Small things like this are almost never random.